can't demonstrate, and I can't let my body explain. You know I can't demonstrate.
Today I'll be sharing a small elf haul of the goodies that I purchased recently from elf for my birthday. And the reason why I purchased is because elf came out with new mineral press powders. So I got 3 of them. The first one I got is in What's Your Name. They come in this white packaging. And the color, this is the packaging. It reminds me of like the NYX matte eyeshadow compacts or the matte compact, but it's cheap packaging. And this is the color, and this one is matte. It's like a mauve color. It reminds me like the color of Urban Decay in Tease. So here's a swatch of What's Your Name. The next one I got is Beauty Queen. It looks like this, and it's a pretty champagne color. Looks like that, and it's perfect as a highlight or all over the lid color. And the last one I got is in Heartbreaker, because I'm a heartbreaker. It looks like this, and it has some glitter to it, some sparkles on it, and this is a dark brown. So that is Heartbreaker. So you could tell they are pigmented and they're beautiful. So I just got 3 to make a natural look, and I have worn these already. Okay, now the next one that I was excited about, their new big palettes, and I only got one, and this one's in California. So this is the packaging where it comes from. It comes in, and these run for $10 a piece, but I used the code ECD2 to get 50% off, so I got it for $5. Everything right here that I purchased. And the pressed minerals are $3 a piece, but I got them for $1.50. So this is the palette. Excuse it for being dirty because I used it today on my eyes, and it comes with a huge mirror. It comes with 10 shades, and you could use them either wet or dry. And let me do some swatches for you guys. I'm gonna do wet ones. So this one's a pretty gold color. The next one is like a pretty champagne color. This one, it's a pretty orangey color. And let me do this highlighting shade right here. And so these are all the top swatches for the California palette. Now let me do the bottom ones. So these are all the swatches for the California palette, and you can see they are so pigmented and so beautiful. They also have another palette, and it's called NYC, but I only got the California because I'm into neutrals. The next thing I got is a e.l.f. single eyeshadows, and it comes in this packaging. And I got the one in oatmeal because these were new, but they've been new already, but I've been wanting them for my single eyeshadow collection that I got. This is oatmeal, and here's a swatch of oatmeal. It's very light. Okay, so the next single eyeshadow I purchased is in Sunset. It looks like this. It's a beautiful orangey color. And here's a swatch of it. I put it in the bottom next to oatmeal. It's right there. Then the last single eyeshadow that I picked up is in Totally Teal, which is a blue one. It's very pretty. Look how gorgeous that teal is. So it looks like that. Very pretty. I got this free gift by e.l.f. It's in Flirt, the Hyper Shine Lip Gloss, for referring 3 friends. And the last thing I got was this 3-in-1 mascara. And it looks like this. And here is the wand. And I like it because this little pointy thing, you could get into your eyelashes right here in the end. You could go like that, or you could reverse it and do the other side like that. And it does volumize, it defines it, and it lengthens like it says it does. And I'm really digging this mascara. So yeah. So that's all I got for my e.l.f. haul. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And if you have purchased goodies from e.l.f., please leave me your haul down below for me to watch. Later.